We are here at the market and look at this kid. Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey, it's been a minute. Yay. It's been so long. Ew. Alright, so what is it? Saturday 24th. We did so many errands today that Hey! Sit down, please. So, yeah. Just grabbing some food for the week that's starting. Because tomorrow's like the busiest day here. So here we are, romaine lettuce. Hello. With his shoes. Aww. I like your shoes.
Okay.
Okay. They smell so good. They smell delicious. Uh-oh, careful. Alright, so I did not bring a pen to cross off my items for market, but I will be crossing it off with my lipstick. Grapes, apples. Didn't have this. Alright. There we go. Right. You're a dangerous shopper. You already ran someone over. So we are at In-N-Out, waiting for dinner. We're gonna have a burger party. I used to have pizza parties, but now we have burger parties. We got our food. Here's the baby. And now we are walking to our car. It is a mission and a trip to get In-N-Out here in Glendale. Alcohol. So look at this new lippy. It's the vinyl ink.
That's right.
These are so cute. It's my favorite one. Stone. And this is opal. And this is a new one. So adorbs. Red hot. And it comes with a free gift. 3 mascaras and a cleanser. So today I'm going to make a filet mignon with some garlic butter. I'm gonna put some thyme, rosemary, and salt and pepper. And I will show you guys like sort of like the process of how I do it. Since we like our meat well done, and my daughter's like it well done as well. So yay! Alright, so here I have the steak. I'm gonna let it cook for a minute. And you can tell right there it's already starting to get brown. And then I'm going to flip that. And I added also oil so it doesn't burn. And another minute, and then another minute. And each side I'm going to cook it for a minute. Gorgeous piece of steak. It's our lunch for steak and a salad. Yummy. Alright, you guys, we're starting the day off late, but into the market. I did some shopping. And I'm gonna get this salmon burrito. It's like rice and avocado and cucumber. It looks so good. Look at that. I also am prepping for a pepperoni pizza that we'll be doing during the week. Sorry. And yeah, so can't wait for tomorrow. We're making pizza.